Welcome. Today we're going to walk through a simple and quick way to change a pin's title on Pinterest using the updated app. Whether you want to make your pins more descriptive, catchy, or just correct a typo, updating the title is easy and can help your content stand out. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your pins and boards live, so it's the perfect starting point for managing your content. Once you're on your profile, look for the Pins tab and tap on it. This will show you all the pins you've saved or created, giving you a clear view of everything you might want to edit. Next, scroll through your pins and tap on the one whose title you want to change. This opens the pin in full view, where you can see all the details and options related to it. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with several options related to your pin. From the menu, select Edit. This will take you to the editing screen where you can change various aspects of your pin, including the title. Here comes the important part. Tap on the title field and update it with your new text. Make sure your new title is clear and engaging to attract more viewers and better describe your pin. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to tap Save at the top or bottom of the screen to apply your new title. Your pin will now display the updated title whenever someone views it. And that's it. Changing a pin's title on Pinterest is straightforward and only takes a few taps. This small update can make a big difference in how your pins perform and how easily others find your content. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.